Well, at Dana, we build axles. In 2007, 2008, the automobile industry was hurting, and being a Tier 2 supplier, we had approximately 250 laid off at the time. We were down to about 115 people. And at the beginning of this, we had 2,000 people in the plant. I have people that don't have food to eat. I have a serious problem with that. When people are hurting and they're sitting across and there's nothing you can do for them and you want to, man, it's tough.
Mitt Romney said, let Detroit go bankrupt. If we'd have let Mitt Romney do what he wanted to do, we wouldn't have just lost car assembly. We'd have lost big chunks of the steel industry, the rubber industry, the glass, the plastic, the aluminum industries. And we'd have lost the heart of manufacturing in America.
When you shut down a plant, the housing market, everything is devastated. We would have lost over 3 million jobs. When you talked about the workers, you thought about the final truck. You forgot about the axles and the wheels and the tires and the dealerships. You forgot about those restaurants.
Well, if it was up to Mitt Romney, we would have failed.
President Obama said that he was going to take a chance. He was betting on the American workers, that they would save that industry and save the supply chain.
We can make great American cars. Chrysler and GM are going to come back, and I am very confident that we're going to be able to make, once again, the U.S. auto industry the best auto industry in the world.
There was some talk about a stimulus for the big three, and when it implemented, the difference was like night and day. As we started picking up contracts, people started feeling better, people started working full time. It really made a difference.
Now the auto industry is back, but so is the supply chain. President Obama was right. Mitt Romney was completely wrong.
The whole supply chain is working, and it really makes a difference to our community. Fort Wayne's really growing, and people are happy. A failure would not have so many people feeling so much better about themselves, being able to take care of their children the way they want to, own a home.
It helps me take care of my family, pay my bills. The job means everything.
We are appreciative of their investment into the American worker. People work hard. Go in there for 8 hours and run that iron, or any job is hard. But as a worker, you listen to President Obama, he's talking our language. We are behind it 100%. I hope Obama gets in there so we can just keep driving it home.
It's important when we talk about President Obama saving the auto industry that we recognize he didn't just save the auto assembly industry. He saved the supply chain. He saved millions of jobs. The auto industry was symbolic of saving manufacturing in America.